In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Yahoo Mail account from Yahoo homepage Yahoo Mail tutorial. By the end, you'll feel confident getting into your inbox quickly and securely, starting right from the Yahoo homepage. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be any modern browser you like using. In the address bar at the very top of your screen, type yahoo.com and press enter. Give the page a moment to load. You should see the familiar Yahoo homepage. It's always a good habit to make sure you're on the official site before entering any login details. Now, look toward the top right corner of the page and click the Sign In button. This takes you to Yahoo's Sign In page, where you'll enter your account details. In the first field, type your Yahoo ID, your full email address, or the phone number registered to your account. They all work for logging in. Your Yahoo ID is simply the username part of your email, and using the full email address works just as well. If you're on a personal device that only you use, consider selecting the Stay Signed In option. This keeps you logged in for faster access next time. If you're on a shared or public computer, leave that unchecked to protect your privacy. When you're ready, click Next. On the password screen, carefully enter your Yahoo Mail password. Passwords are case-sensitive, so watch for any accidental capital letters and make sure caps lock isn't on. Take a second to review what you've typed if you're unsure. Once your password is in, click the Sign In button to submit your credentials. The page will process your login for a moment. If everything is correct, you'll be directed straight to your Yahoo Mail inbox. You'll know you're signed in when you see your mailbox with folders like Inbox and Sent, along with your profile icon in the corner. That's all there is to it. Opening your browser, going to yahoo.com, selecting Sign In, entering your Yahoo ID or email or phone number, choosing whether to stay signed in, clicking Next, entering your password, and selecting Sign In will take you right into your email. If the page takes a moment to load, that's normal, just be patient and avoid clicking multiple times. And as a final tip, if you're using a computer that other people access, make a habit of closing the browser when you're done and avoiding the Stay Signed In option. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps each time you need to check your messages, and you'll get into your Yahoo Mail quickly and safely from the Yahoo homepage.